I mean, clusters, there's 6 of us, so that's part of the robustness of the community, because at any point in time, 2 of them are working quite well, 2 of them are okay, and 2 of them are pretty crap in terms of their social cohesion, their social functioning and so forth. So that's given us our ability to have dysfunction without it being crippling. If we'd all been in one village, everybody would have been infected with everything else, right? And so it's a harder thing to manage in terms of, so we took a more conservative design so that we had that built-in resilience, because not having to solve problems in some senses is the easier path if you can do it. So anyway, so some clusters share quite a lot and function very well in terms of what they share. They communicate, they have meetings or they don't, and that change over the 50 years. They're like this, and the community's like this too. It comes in waves and up and down, and the spirit change, all that. So, but most clusters have some sort of garden, and they have some social responsibility which we've deliberately given them so as to help their cohesion. For example, they have to put out the bins, they have to run tours, they have to do catering for the community workday. So that's a way of making sure they have to function to some degree. So yeah, but each cluster has its own particular identity and its characters, and so they're different, aren't they?
They're very different.
Which is good. It's part of the richness of the place.